Hi, we're just doing linear inequations, so there's a new part of the word in front, so inequations. So this is when you have the symbols that aren't equal signs. So we have a greater than sign, a less than sign, a greater than or equal, or less than or equal. So you should know that, but copy it if you need to. Come across when you're ready. So for instance, if we have an answer at the end of the day where it says x is greater than or equal to, so there's 2. Because there's an equal sign, we colour in at 2, and greater than is always to the right. So greater than always goes to the right, and less than always goes to the left. Okay. So for instance, the second one, if x is less than -1, we go to -1 and we don't colour, so not coloured in, because it doesn't have an equal sign as part of the less than sign, and then we just arrow to the left. Okay, so copy that and come across when you're ready. Okay, so when we're solving equations, there's 2 types. The first one is if the pronumeral is a positive at the end, and the other one is a pronumeral is a negative at the end. So, like for instance, for ease of sake, you could pretend that that sign is an equal sign and just do your normal operations. So the next line, the +1 goes across, so it's greater than or equal to 5 minus 1. So 3x greater than or equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. And then just divide through. Now x is a positive, okay, and so there's no problem. So 0, it's not a scale, so there's 4/3, and then it's an equal sign, so we colour it in, and it's greater than, so we head to the right. Okay, so that's that one. Copy that and come across. Okay, let's do another one. So we've got an equation. So we've only got 2 fractions, so the simplest way is just to do the cross multiply method. Okay, so the next line would be 4 bracket x plus 5 is less than or equal to 3 bracket x minus 1. You can multiply out. There's no reason why that can't be your first. Okay, so this could be your first line. You don't have to write the brackets, but be careful if you have minus signs. Okay, so the next step would be the x's to one side. So 3x comes to the left and 20 goes to the right. So 4x minus 3x is less than or equal to -3 hasn't moved, and 20 becomes -20. So 4x minus 3x is 1x, less than or equal to -23. X is a positive, so we don't have any issues. And 0. It's not to scale, just put -23. It's got an equal sign, so you colour it in, and it's less than, so it's heading to the left. Okay, so they're the easy ones, hopefully, with x is positive. So come across when you're ready. Okay, so the next one we're doing is if pronumerals are negatives. Excuse me. So for this, again, for the sake of ease, you can pretend that the equal sign is there. So -2x is less than or equal to -3 minus 5. And -2x is less than or equal to -8. So x is a negative. So in equations, we could just do divide by 2. So this is, I'm just going to show you what happens, and there's a dilemma. So x is less than or equal to -8 over -2. So you think the answer is less than 4, okay? But there's no reason why we couldn't just swap sides. And so the next line would be 8 is on that side, less than or equal to 2x. And so divide by 2. So 4 is less than or equal to x. So we end up with x is greater than 4, but over here we've got x is less than 4. So there's a dilemma. It makes a difference what you do. And so this method is wrong. Okay, you can't divide by minuses. You bring the x across to make it a positive. Okay, and you go on, but there's another way of doing it, which is once you get to this step here, you can just change the minus sign, change that sign to a 2x, change the sign in the middle, and change the sign of the other number, and then you end up with the same answer as that one there. So that's probably the way. Change all the signs, and that's probably the best way to do it. Okay, so once you end up with a negative x, change the sign, and change the sign, and then you're finished. And then x is less than 4, and it's 0, it's 4, colour in the circle, and then we go that way. So copy that and come across and do one more. Okay, so let's go. So we do our cross multiply, and 4 bracket x plus 1 is less than 5 bracket x minus 1. So you can go straight to this 4x plus 4 is less than 5x minus 5. Now if you want to avoid the negative x problem, you've got 5x and 4x. So 5x is bigger, so take the 4x across and you won't have negatives, and the x's are going left and the numbers are going right. So we've got 4 plus 5 is less than 5x minus 4x. So 9 is less than x, or x is greater than 9. So rather than reading it left to right, if you read it right to left, x is bigger than 9, and that's the answer. And so drawing it, there's 0, there's 9, circle, and we are going greater than again. So we didn't have many less than, but that's the answer. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks, bye.